Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here we have discussed about expectations, probability distribution and probability density mass and next today we are going to discuss about problems on expectations and means and variance also and finding the unknown value in probability of x or a distribution and here let us know one hint for finding out how many outcomes we are getting and how many times we are going to say that it is an outcome and how many ways we are having the outcome getting a result. Here we are having that. Let us take with the example of coins. Here for the coin we are having only two outcomes such as heads or tails. Let us take this one and here we are having, let us think that we are tossing this coin one time, only one time. The outcomes are going to be 2. Here 2 to the power 1 is going to be 2. If I am going to toss it for 2 times, I am going to toss for 2 times, that is 2 square, that is 4. Here we are having 4. For the first time we are going to get heads or tails. For the second time we are going to get heads or tails, that is 1 2 3 4. These are total outcomes are 4. Here similarly for 3 times of a one coin, that going to be like this: 2 cube 8, such as for the first time we are going to get heads, tails this. For the next time tails, heads, tails, and for the third time tails, heads, and similarly heads, tails, heads, and next heads, tails, heads, and next head, tail, and one more thing, tails, and heads. These are the outcomes when we are going to toss a single coin for the 3 times, so that we are going to get 8 outcomes: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, such as here is the 8. And similarly for the 2 power 4 we are going to get 16 and go on with up to how many we want. Here we are having 2 is our outcome and how many times we are tossing it? 4 times, so that how many ways we are going to get the outcomes are, total outcomes are 16. In the similar way we are having a problem such as, let x denote the number of heads in a single toss of 4 coins. Here we are having a 4 coins. Here we are having 4 coins with heads and tails. We are tossing it for a 4 coins only for single toss. If I toss this one, I am going to get a heads. For the first time I am going to get a heads, that is 4 heads. The x denote the number of heads is equal to all we are getting heads, so that 4 heads is equal to, here we x denote 4 heads, so that I am going to get only once for the 16, and 3 heads and 1 tail. Here we are having 3 heads. We are going to get how many times we are going to get? 4 times we are going to get out of 16, and only 2 heads, that is only 2 heads. It is going to get out of 16 we are going to get 6 times. Only 1 head. Only 1 head, how many times you are going to get it? 4 times of 16. And 0 heads. There is no heads in this. So that how many times you are going to get it? 1 by 16. Here for the similar way we are having this. We are all having this. We have to find the probability such as x less than 2. Here we are having x less than 2. So that this is our 2. So that what is the less than 2? That is 1 and 0. So that addition of both these we are going to get the probability of p of x less than 2. So such as p of 0 plus p of 1 is equal to 1 by 16 plus 4 by 16 is going to be our 5 by 16. And similarly our second one is that probability of 1 less than x less than or equal to 3, such as less than x less than or equal to 3. Here we are having 1, so that 1 less than, that is 2 and 3. Here only we are writing only less than, not equal to, so that we could not include the 1. So and we are having 1, 2, 3, that is 2. 2 is in between 1 and 3, and here also included less than or equal to, so that 3 also can be taken. So the 6 by 16 plus 4 by 16 is going to be 10 by 16, that is equal to 5 by 8. And here also we are having one more problem with finding out the mean, variance and expectation, and finding out the variable which is present in the probability. Given that a random variable x has the following probability function, such as this is a random variable x, and with respect to of this x we are having a probabilities. For 0 it is 0, for 1 it is k, for 2 it is 2k, and for 3 that is 2k, and for 4 3k, for the 5 k square, and for 6 2k square, and for 7 7k square plus k. Here we are having some of the points, such as we have to find out them. Determine k, and probability of x less than 6, probability of x greater than or equal to 6, probability of 0 less than x less than to 5, and probability 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. And our third one is that probability of x less than or equal to k is where it will be greater than 1.1 by 2, that is 0.5. Find the minimum value of k, and the mean up to I is equal 0 to 7 pixi, and the variance also we have to find out for this table. Here we are having first one. To find out all these we have to know what is the k value in the given distribution. Here solution. Here we are having that one hint. All probabilities are sum of all probabilities is equal to 1. Here by this equation I am going to write all the probabilities such as 0, k, 2k and 2k plus 3k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square plus k. Here I am going to write all these in the manner of separating the k squares and k. Here we are having a 2k, 2k, 4 and a 5k plus 3, 8k, 8k plus 3k square plus 7k square plus k, that is total we are having that equating to the 1, so that this is going to be 10k square, and this hand is going to be plus 9k is equal to 1, and I am sending the 1 is equal to after the LHS, so that it is going to be 0. 10k square plus 9k minus 1 is equal to 0, so that this is in the quadratic form. By this quadratic form I'm going to write the formula like this: minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. By this formula, we're going to find out the roots of this k. After the finding of these k values, that is, I'm going to get a k is equal to 1 by 10 and k is equal to minus 1. So that, such as like this, I'm going to get in a before like this: 10k minus 1 and k plus 1 both are equal to 0. So that after this I'm converting like this: k is equal to 1 by 10 and k is equal to minus 1. The k value or the value of probability is cannot be in negative, so that I am not considering this k is equal to minus 1, and I am going to consider only k is equal to 1 by 10. Then value of k is equal to 0.1. Simply substitute the value of k is equal to 0.1. Simply support the k value in the probability distribution, so that the value is going to be, these are the values of k in a distribution function, and need not to be written in the examination. Just find the value of k and keep it aside. And moving on to the second step, that is, we have to find the probability x less than 6, such as here this is our probability distribution function or a probability function which is given in the question, and we have find out the value of k is equal to 0.1, and we have to find the probability x less than 6, that is from x less than 6, 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to the 5 is going to be less than of 6, so that adding of all these is going to be our probability of x less than 6. So that here we are having that probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 plus probability of 5. Here this denotes our probability x less than 6. So that what is the probability of x is equal to 0? 0 plus k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k and plus k square. Simply substitute the value of k in this equation or in this statement, then we are going to find the value of probability x less than 6, that is 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.01. What is the value for this is 0.81. And moving on to the second one, that is probability x is greater than or equal to 6, such as here we are having the greater of 6 is 7, and we are also having the equal to symbol, that is 6 and 7 we are going to add up here. Probability of x is greater than or equal to 6. This can be added like this, such as 6 plus 7, and such as probability of 6 plus probability of 7, or removing the below part, such as 5 4 3 2 1 from 1 to get a value of this. We can write in the both ways, such as probability of x is greater than 6 is equal to probability of 6 plus probability of 7, one step that is, or 1 minus probability x less than 6, such as x is less than 6, that is 5 4 3 2 1, removing all this from 1, such as probability, sum of probability, to get the value of this one. You can adopt both methods, you get the same value. Here we are having probability of 6 is 2k square plus probability of 7 7k square plus k. Here we are having a k is equal to 0.1, so they are simply substituting in that, such as 0.01 plus 7 of 0.01 plus 0.1. The value going to be 0.01. 0.02 plus 0.07 plus 0.1. The value will be 0.19. And moving on to the third one, that is probability of 0 less than or less than x less than 5, in between to the 0 and 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the values of x we have to write in between of probability, such as probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 is going to be equal to the probability of 0 less than or x less than x to the less than 5. Such as, what is the probability of 1? It is k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k. Here 0.1 plus 2 into 0.1 plus 2 into 0.1 plus 3 into 0.1 is going to be 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.2 plus 0.3. The value is going to be 0.4, 0.5, 0.8. The value of third one is 0.8. And moving on to the fourth one, that is probability of 0 less than x less than or equal to x or less than or equal to 4. Here we are having a less than symbol, so that we have to add a 0 and 4 in between of 0 to 4, such as probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4. So that probability of 0 is 0, probability of k is we are having k, probability of 2, 2k, probability of 3, 2k, probability of 4, 3k. Simply substitute the value of k, that is 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.3. The similar value we are going to get it 0.8. And moving on to the, here we are having a third one, that is probability of x less than or equal to k whole bracket, that is it should be greater than of 1 by 2. Where will you get 1 by 2 more than 1 by 2? That is our value of k, or a minimum value of k. That is, let us take that probability of x less than or 1, x less than or equal to 1, so that probability of 0 plus probability of 1, probability of x less than or equal to 2, such as probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2. Similar way, probability of x, that is 3, that is going to be 0, probability of 1 plus probability of 2 and plus probability of 3. Here the value is k. Here the value going to be k plus 2k, that is k here, 2k here, that is 3k, and that is here k, 3k, and here 2k, that is 5k. Here the value is 0.1, here the value is 0.3, here the value is 0.5. And where x is equal to greater than or equal to 4, we are having that probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4 is going to be our, up to here we are having 0.5, and our probability of 4, the value of 4 is 3k, that is 0.3. Here the value is 0.8. It is exceeding the 1 by 2, so that the value where x is 4, so that the value going to be the minimum value of k is obtained where we get obtained here, where x is equal to 4. This is our third one. And moving on to the mean, as already we discussed that what is the mean here? The mean is summation of I is equal to 0 to, or I is equal to 0 to n probability of I into probability of xi. Here we are having a probability where I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here for the x also I is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to so on, up to the n what we are having. Here the value n is equal to 7 because we are having only the number is 7 in the random variable of x, and taking such as probability of I is equal to 0 to 7, probability of I into xi. Here we are having a table that these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are random variables x, and a 0, k, and so on. These are our probabilities of x. Here we are having that probability is multiplied with x1, that is 0 into 0, k into 1 is going to be our summation of all these is going to be our mean, such as like this. Summation I is equal to 0 to 7, probability pi into xi is going to be written like this, such as 0 into probability of 0, that is 0 here, the value going to be 0, plus here the value k and here the value is 1, so that pi is k and x1 is 1, and 2k into 2 plus here the 1, 2, here the 3, that is 2k into 3 plus 3k into 4 plus k square into 5 and plus 2k square into 6 plus 7k square plus k whole into 7. Here we are having a probability summation from I is equal to 0 to 7, pi xi, the value is going to be like this. The value, after substituting the value of 0.1 in the place of k, the equation will be here up to this, and after this also simplification we are having that 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 0.6 plus 0.12 plus 0.05 plus 12, that is 0.012 plus 0.17 into 7. The value will be, after all the summation, here we are having, that is 3.66, that is 0.1 plus 0.4 plus 0.6 plus 1.2 plus 0.05 plus 0.12 plus after the 0.17 into 7, that is 1.19. The whole probability is 3.36, that is mean of this probability is 3.66, where the k value is 0.1 or 1 by 10. And moving on to the variance, here we are having a simple that, what is the formula here? We are having variance, that is summation I is equal to 0 to n pi xi square minus mu square. What is the mu here? That is the mu is the mean pi xi square, and the mu square will be 3.66. Simply substituting the values, such as here pi is our probability, that is k, 2k, and xi is 1, 2, 3, so on up to 7. That is, and before the substituting the value, I am going to write this as xi, that is 1, 1 square 1, 4, that is 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square, that is 16, 5 square 25, and 6 is 36, and for 7 this is 49. And simply taking these values and multiplying with the probabilities of k, 2k, and 3k, such as like this. Summation I is equal to 0 to 7 pi xi square minus mu square. For the value of pi xi, 1 into k plus 4 into 2k plus 9 into 2k plus 16 plus 25 into k square plus 36 into 2k square plus 49 into 7k square plus k. After all these, minus mu square. After all this multiplication of pi xi square, we are having that I am going to separate the values of k and k square separately, that such as 440k square plus 124k minus of 3.66 whole square, that is mu square. Here the value of k is equal to 0.1, or you can directly substitute the value of 0.1 in this equation. You get the same value, or take the separate values of k square and k and write down in another manner, or you can also take any one of these. The k value is 440 k square, that is 0.1 square, plus 124 of 0.1 minus 3.66 whole square. Simply having the value, that is 4.4 plus 12.4 minus 13.39, the value of variance is 3.4044. Here is our variance. Here write like this also, variance is equal to 3.4044, and the mean value is, what is the mean value we have got it, that is 3.66. Here is our solutions, and thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for my regular updates on probability statistics, and keep watching, share my videos with your friends. Thank you.